Hey there, Diva Land. Today I want to give you a tour of my newest listing, this beautiful remodeled West Seattle bungalow. I'm Roy Powell with Team Diva at Coldwell Banker Bain. Let's take a tour. This home is very special to me. It's currently owned by some very close friends of mine, and it's in my neighborhood. This home sits in West Seattle in the neighborhood of Highland Park, but it's also right on the edge of White Center. My friends bought this home as their forever home a few years ago. Trust me when I say that this house looks nothing like it did when they bought it. They did all the hard work of taking almost half the home back to the studs in order to reimagine what a 1940s post-war bungalow can be. When I say take it down to the studs, I mean exactly that. They updated the plumbing and the electrical. They brought in all new appliances. They added laundry. They built this absolutely gorgeous kitchen that flows into the living room. They even redid the siding on the outside, as well as landscaping in the yard, which is ready for you to start your own garden when you move in. What I love about this home is that it's set up for truly easy living and entertaining. You have this wide open living room to kitchen to backyard. It's been great spending time here and eating meals at the island, enjoying a fire in the backyard and letting the dogs run free. There are 2 bedrooms privately tucked away to the other side of the home. Depending on the needs of your family, you can use one of the bedrooms as a home office, a kid's room, a TV room, or even a guest bedroom. The space can be incredibly flexible. If you aren't feeling like cooking or making coffee, all the great restaurants, cafes, and bars of White Center are only a few blocks away. If you have time when you come tour this home, stop by Moonshop for a cup of coffee, or grab a burrito from my favorite taco truck at 15th and 98. If you have followed me on Instagram for any amount of time, you know that I love this neighborhood and I love these 1940s bungalows. They are built rock solid, and when they're remodeled, like this one is, it can lead to years of easy enjoyment. This neighborhood was built to serve as housing for Boeing, and in the past 80 years, it has been reimagined time and time again. You'll see there is a ton of construction happening down here, and if townhouse living isn't your cup of tea, this remodeled West Seattle bungalow could be the perfect fit for you. Thank you for watching my latest listing video. If you liked what you saw, give me a like. If you want to see more videos like this and other awesome listings that we've brought on, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Twitter as well. I hope to see you soon and have a great day.